Hi, I'm Catherine Porter, and I'm looking forward to share with you why I should be the next designated employee representative for American Airlines. Things about me. Safety is my passion. I enjoy keeping all forms of travel safe, whether it be on the road, on the runway, railroads, or in the air. I enjoy a drug-free, alcohol-free workplace to keep others safe. I have extensive knowledge of CFR Part 49. I currently work hand in hand with two of the doctors that help write all these regulations. So I know them back and forward, front to back in my hand situation. I'm also already a certified designated employee representative. I can also offer that training to any employee. I'm certified to do that. So I have DER training and I'm certified to be a DER. I think that's pretty great for a step in a position that I know I could fill the shoes of anyone that's been there in the past. Here are ways I can help American Airlines save that money. Fines. We all know what it's like to get a fine from DOT. They are very hefty. And when it comes to FAA, they're even larger. I've had several clients in the past few years that I have saved countless amounts of money. In fact, I have one of my greatest accomplishments is that I've been able to keep 150 or over 150 companies in compliance and fine free. So I've saved them a lot of money. What I can do for American Airlines is get them in compliance with your drug and alcohol testing policies. I can manage all of your DOT collectors and your non-DOT collectors. I'm actually a trained collector as well as I can train collectors. So we won't have to worry about going off-site for additional training or additional collectors. I can do collections as well as train people to do collections. Everyone that I will have on my team, my compliance team, I can train them in the regulations. It's great because I already know almost every single regulation you need to know and also keep informed and apprised of the new regulations, continuing my education. Team strengthening is something I'm really good at. Currently, I have 19 employees under me, and my coworkers and my teammates underneath me and my boss would all describe me as hardworking and empathetic. I'm a very hands-on coach-player type of boss. I love to get in there and get my hands dirty and with the crew, and everyone knows that I will do equal the amount of work they do or more just so we can hit our goals and we can make everything smooth for the company to make sure we're following all the rules and regulations we need to file. So team strengthening is something we do, and we do that when we're worried about our pilots and our flight crew. Why are we worried about them? Are they on drugs? Could they be hurting someone else because of their abuse? Yes. That's why it's important to keep someone like a SAP, a substance abuse professional, on staff. And I'm also substance abuse professionally trained. I can help them with their SAP program, whatever we need to do to keep us in compliance at American Airlines, I will do. And we'll make sure we're all safe all together. And that's what we need to do. So one weakness that I will say I have is that I'm not too versed in Dharma. I know Dharma is an FAA regulated submission form, but I am quite fluent in MIS reports. I know it's very transferable. There's just new data to learn because it is a proprietary system that I have not been introduced to yet. But I do know what Dharma is. I just need more education on Dharma. So I want to thank you so much for taking the time to watch this. I really think that I would be a perfect fit as I'm already trained and knowledgeable in all the regulations and would love to get American Airlines up to compliance. I know that last year you were fined, as well as Envoy Air, your sister company, for not meeting your random percentages. I would love to get in there and make sure you hit those numbers for the year and the fact that you don't get fined. I hope that you hire me. My extensive knowledge in the drug testing world and my managerial skills. I can manage a big team, I can manage a small team, I can work with anyone, I get along with almost anything, and I love to have new people on my team and win them over so that we can get everyone in compliance. Fighting for the greater good. I really would love this job, and hopefully you see that I'm the perfect fit. And I would love this job. Please let me know as soon as possible if I can have this job. I'd be willing to start in 2 weeks. I would love to give my company notice. I've currently been at my company for about 15 years, and I'm looking to step up and out in the world, and American Airlines is a wonderful company I'd like to work for. So please let me know if you have any questions. I've attached my contact information, and just talk to you soon. I really appreciate it. Thank you. Thank you for your time.